Hi, I'm Saud Gibaro, katenishouse.com. So we will do some magic again. This is called the illusion card tricks. Our cameraman, Kevin James De Leon. Our audience, Joseph Flores. So here's the trick. Enjoy. So pick one card. You notice all the back of this card is color red except the card. So again, pick one card. All of the back of this card is color red except that card.
No!